party for you to fight for its soul. The party belongs to the owner. The owner of the ODM party is Raila Odinga. I want to urge my colleagues who are angling to lead the ODM party that you are wasting your own time. Raila Odinga has already indicated to us the person who would like to take over the ODM party. In the meantime, to hold a brief for him in the meantime as he goes to AU. Yes. And I'm just informing the country and the nation that the person is Opiyo Wandayi. I'm not reinventing my own politics. There's nothing I'm reinventing. It is not my decision. I'm just giving you the signals that this is the person who is supposed to, who will take over the party. You don't need to do opinion poll. You don't need to campaign. You don't need to just stamp. You don't need to threaten us. Don't threaten us because you are wasting your own time. Yeah, the party will be spearheaded by Opiyo Wandayi, and as leaders from Siaya and members of ODM from Siaya, we are going to rally behind Wandayi so that we ensure the party remains strong and solid.
Baba is heading to African Union, and as it looks, there is no challenge. So going, he has to. And there have been agitation from all quarters as to who takes over from Baba. We want to make it clear that the position of party leadership in ODM, and by extension Azimio, will not fall vacant. Baba will still lead Azimio as a party, and he will still lead ODM as a party. And if there will be any need to have somebody superintend this coalition and our ODM party, we shall look at regional representation of ODM. We are not going by any other consideration. And it is a fact that it is only Luo land that has 100% support of ODM. And therefore, if that vacancy will arise, Luo must present somebody on that negotiating table, and at best, chair that table. And we have no apologies to make about that. We have our leader, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, who has steered this ship since we gave him the mantle. Any negotiating table without Honorable Opiyo Wandayi remains null and void. We will not recognize any deliberation that will come out of it. So, Honorable Wandayi, on behalf of all Kisumu MPs, where I have given myself the position to be their leader, we are saying we are behind you, we will support you, and we will ensure that all that Baba stands for will continue unabated. Doctors have been on strike for over 1 week now. We have registered unnecessary deaths as a result of that strike out of negligence. Ruto and his company have refused to address this problem. And whereas the majority supported Raila Odinga and voted for him to be president, the few who voted for William Ruto are also equally suffering. He is sending jokers on the negotiating table. I want Ruto himself to step in and address this matter. And if he is not having what it takes, let him give that job to Raila Odinga before he goes to AU to address this issue of healthcare. Ruto swore to protect and defend our constitution. The same constitution in Article 43 talks about the rights to access of healthcare. Today, people are not accessing healthcare. He must defend the very constitution that he swore to protect. People are dying like chickens, and there is no recourse. We will not accept this matter to be delayed any further. They are collecting taxes every now and again. Let them pay doctors as it should be. within the confines of